Hello all, just a quick little video because I'm down here and these are sitting here, so figured I'd do a little video on them. More importantly, this one. I have no idea the age or maker or anything on this one. The only number on the entire thing is that guy right there, 106. No idea. I know it's a coffee grinder. But that's about it. This one is number 32. Excuse the rag, but I believe it's a grist mill, but Stover Manufacturing and Engine Company. There we go, there's the jaw plates in there. This one is completely original. All the original paints, all the original hardware, but the handle's the only thing because it's got a square, or not a square nut, a regular nut instead of a square nut. This one I've cleaned out, so I'm not going to be using this one, but the jaws are a little noisy. But before I got it, it was sitting in an antique shop and somebody cranked that guy down and jaw plates are pretty worn out. So it still works, but it won't go near as fine for making coffee, so it's still cool though. But this one I bought off a friend and never really had the chance to do anything with it. Like I say, I'm down here, so. And I just happened to have a bag of coffee that I may or may not have picked up at Costco today. So we're gonna dump some in and see how it works, because I haven't actually tried it. Anybody that likes coffee would love the smell of this. It smells delicious. Excuse the one hand, but phone, and that's all I got. Be a little tight. This is my clamp. Yeah, I think that's a bit tight. So I don't think it's the other way. No, it's not the other way. Hang on, I gotta get another clamp on there. Second. Okay, we're gonna try that. A little hard because I haven't got the other side bolted, but and it's old. From what he told me, that is your grade of cut. Oh, that's better. It's a little too fine. fast that I'm catching. I'm going to go a little bit finer and then try and crack it. And then hit it again. Stick. Okay, tighten that back up just a little bit. And try again. Oh, that's why I'm making a mess. Not a very efficient grinder, but it's going to be another project. The stover's done, I'm not doing anything with it. Mounted on a nice base so it can actually be used. That's about it, I think. There should be a gasket or something on there. Like I say, I can't find any name or manufacturing for it. It's a lot of coffee. Good thing I cleaned my bench up. Oh well. It works. It'll probably work a lot better. But that's it for now. Talk to you later.